Hello and welcome back to the channel. The Imagine 2026 L300 Minimus is a forward-looking electric interpretation of the long-standing L300 commercial vehicle line, created to support the growing demand for compact, smart and environmentally conscious transport solutions in crowded cities and busy business districts. This projection imagines the Minimus as a fully electric van designed to help small businesses, delivery services technicians and urban logistics operators access a clean, quiet and efficient alternative to the traditional diesel-powered models that dominated previous generations. At the core of the Minimus concept is an electric powertrain built around a lithium-ion battery pack sized to balance range, affordability and cargo capacity, making it suitable for daily use without adding unnecessary weight or cost. A realistic estimate for such a model would place its range around 180 to 200 kilometers on a full charge, which aligns with the average daily travel needs of delivery trades and commercial fleets, allowing operators to complete full rounds without the stress of frequent charging stops. Charging would be simple and practical, with overnight AC charging being the most common method for fleet owners and small businesses who park their vehicles in depots or garages, while optional DC fast charging could provide an 80% charge in under an hour during work breaks or quick route changes, enabling flexible and continuous operation. The vehicle would rely on a single electric motor tuned for strong low-end torque, which is ideal for start-stop city movement, steep ramps and heavy load situations, since electric motors deliver power instantly without delay from gear changes or engine rev buildup. This characteristic would make the Minimus surprisingly responsive at low speeds and more capable of carrying cargo compared to combustion engines of similar size. The motor would also operate quietly, reducing noise pollution in cities and creating a calmer driving experience for both the driver and the surrounding environment. Design-wise, the Minimus would build on the practical, boxy legacy of the classic L300, but with smoother, cleaner lines to improve aerodynamics and modernize the overall look. Updated LED headlights, a refined grille area, sleek door panels and stronger yet lighter body materials would give it a contemporary presence while keeping functionality at the forefront. The cargo area would be optimized for maximum usable volume, with flat floors, wide rear doors and sliding side access to make loading and unloading easier, especially in tight urban spaces. Inside the cabin, drivers would find a modern, minimalist but utilitarian layout featuring a digital instrument cluster to display speed, battery status and range information, along with a central touchscreen for navigation, fleet apps and connectivity tools. Storage compartments would be improved with better integration for paperwork devices and day-to-day work items, making the workspace more efficient for long shifts. Seating would be firm, supportive and designed for extended hours on the road, with adjustments to accommodate various body types and driver preferences while maintaining durability for commercial use. In terms of performance, the Minimus would prioritize practical capability rather than high top speeds, making it ideal for urban use where acceleration handling and ease of maneuvering matter far more than highway sprinting. It would likely offer smooth, controlled acceleration, steady cornering and predictable braking, supported by regenerative systems that recapture kinetic energy during deceleration, helping extend driving range while also reducing brake wear. The suspension would be tuned to handle cargo weight variations while still providing comfort and stability across potholes, speed bumps and uneven city roads. Safety features would likely include modern essentials such as stability control, traction assistance, hill start help and a reinforced cabin structure, along with optional features like parking sensors, lane alerts and driver fatigue monitoring, depending on market and cost considerations. For small businesses, total cost of ownership would be a crucial factor, and the electric nature of the Minimus would offer meaningful long-term savings. While the initial price would likely be higher than a diesel equivalent due to battery and technology costs, the reduction in fuel spending and the lower maintenance demands of an electric motor compared to a combustion engine would help offset the upfront investment over time. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, no oil changes and reduced mechanical wear, which makes them more predictable and cheaper to run, especially for daily commercial use. Government incentives, rebates and reduced road taxes in many regions could make the Minimus even more cost-effective for early adopters. Regarding potential release timing, the Minimus concept could align with industry-wide shifts, as many manufacturers are expected to expand their electric portfolios by 2026, making it plausible for a production model to appear around late 2026 if development follows global electrification trends. Market rollout would likely prioritize urban areas where electric commercial vehicles are most beneficial and where infrastructure is quickly improving to support charging for both private and government fleet users. The Minimus would stand as a strategic step towards sustainable transport, offering practical benefits for delivery companies, food and package couriers, local service providers and businesses that must navigate crowded city streets every day. Overall, the 2026 L300 Minimus concept combines classic durability with modern electric efficiency, aiming to provide smooth, quiet performance, low running costs, and environmentally friendly operation, all wrapped in a practical design suited for the evolving demands of urban logistics. From its efficient range to its functional layout and quiet torque-rich power, the Minimus presents a realistic vision of how compact electric vans can transform everyday commercial mobility, creating a cleaner, more efficient, and more reliable future for businesses that rely on dependable transportation to keep their work moving.